What's the biggest mistake people make with water heaters?
Okay, so the biggest mistake people make when it comes to water heaters is they completely ignore them. So they get a new water heater put in, they completely ignore the maintenance. Just like vehicles, flushing your water heater tank is not optional. Okay, you need to flush the tank out, all the sediment out, or it's going to rust out. Another thing is you need to check your anode rod. So every 3 to 5 years, your anode rod needs to be replaced. So inspecting components like this can help extend the life of your water heater. So if you guys need us to take a look at your water heater, if you want us to service it for you, we can set you up on a service plan. Give us a call at 760-953-3806 and we can take care of you today. Have a great day. Jumping Jack out.